So for the last part of your rough draft, you're going to write your conclusion. In the first part of your conclusion, you'll see here is restating your claim, right? So or your thesis, I guess we should say, from the beginning and your introduction. But you want to say it in a different way. Then you want to summarize your main points. So what are the main things that you wanted your reader to take away from? Those could be the 3 points you discussed in your body paragraphs. And then you want to leave your reader with what we call some food for thought. So that could be leave the reader with a call to action or something that they should do now that they know about this issue, or a solution to this problem in our world, or something thought-provoking, like something that makes your reader think a little bit about the issue, kind of like the rhetorical questions that we focused on last quarter. Any of those could be options. Here's a sample paragraph. In conclusion, even though many people want to buy the adorable pets they see in pet stores, there are so many homeless pets that are just as deserving as puppies that adoption should be the first choice when looking to add a pet to the family. Then there's the summary portion, right? Adoption saves the millions of animal lives that are lost when shelters are too overcrowded to keep all the homeless pets. It also helps stop the abuse of animals in puppy mills because it decreases the demand for purebred puppies sold in stores. Finally, adopting pets allows owners to have more choices in the type of pet they can get, as they can choose from a wider variety of ages and types of adoptable pets at a much reduced price. So it was just a few sentences, their summary of what they want you to take away from this. And then they end with this food for thought. In order to make a change, we need to stop selling pets in pet stores and instead offer adoptions from rescues and breeders. We need to educate people about what really happens in puppy mills and the importance of adoption. If you educate just one person about the horrors of puppy mills, or convince just one person to adopt rather than buy a pet, you've made a difference. That could be that thought-provoking quote. So you could also choose to end with a quote that you found. Just make sure you cite it like they did here. Could also end as a question, or, what will you do now that you know about this issue? Those are some different options that you have. Once again, there's no set sentence stems for the conclusion because it is really dependent on your topic. And then you'll type your conclusion here. It's really important to include as much as you can in each of these paragraphs so that way we can give you feedback before you submit your final. Let us know if you have any questions.